Plant FAQs. Philodendron Camposportoanum. Philodendron Camposportoanum, a velvety jewel for plant enthusiasts. Hi there, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of the Philodendron Camposportoanum, a captivating little plant that packs a big punch in the aesthetics department. This tropical wonder hails from the rainforests of South America, specifically Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. Its name might be a mouthful, but its care requirements are refreshingly simple. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. The Philodendron Camposportoanum is an evergreen perennial vine known for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves. When young, these leaves boast a fuzzy texture that feels like plush velvet. As the plant matures, the leaves transform, developing elongated lobes and a darker green hue. This metamorphosis adds a touch of drama to your indoor jungle. In its natural habitat, the Philodendron Camposportoanum thrives on the rainforest floor, climbing up trees and other structures for support. This climbing nature translates well to houseplant life. With a moss pole or trellis, you can encourage your Camposportoanum to climb upwards, creating a lush, cascading effect. Philodendron Camposportoanum versus Micans. In my experience, the Philodendron Camposportoanum has this incredible, almost velvety texture to its leaves, which are a deep, rich green that sometimes have this subtle, reddish undertone. It's a real showstopper in my collection because of its unique foliage. On the other hand, Philodendron Micans also has velvety leaves, but they are more heart-shaped and have this stunning, iridescent sheen that changes with the light, shifting from deep green to almost purple. I find the Micans to be a bit easier to care for, with its trailing habit making it perfect for hanging baskets, whereas the Camposportoanum seems to have a bit more of a climbing nature. Each has its charm, but for sheer visual impact, I think the Micans might just edge out the Camposportoanum in my book. How to care for your Philodendron Camposportoanum. Here's the good news. The Philodendron Camposportoanum is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's a quick guide to keep your velvety friend thriving. Light. Think indirect sunlight. Harsh, direct rays can scorch the delicate leaves. A spot near a bright, east-facing window is ideal. Water. Avoid overwatering. These plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Philodendron Camposportoanum appreciates a humid environment. Misting regularly or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids, plants in the Araceae family. This ensures proper drainage and prevents root rot. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted fertilizer applied once a month can give your Philodendron Camposportoanum a boost. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the plant. Temperature. Aim for a consistent temperature range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit 18 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Fahrenheit 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near cold drafts or heat vents. How to propagate your Philodendron Camposportoanum. Sharing the plant love? Propagating your Philodendron Camposportoanum is a breeze. Here are two methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes, leaf bumps. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Place it in a warm, brightly lit spot, indirect sunlight, and wait patiently for roots to develop. Leaf cuttings. This method takes a bit longer but can be successful. Choose a healthy leaf with a long petiole, leaf stalk. Cut it off the main stem, ensuring a clean cut. Make a shallow cut halfway down the petiole. Dip the cut end and petiole section in rooting hormone and plant them both in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight. With time, new growth should emerge from the petiole. What to plant with your Philodendron Camposportoanum. Looking to create a stunning indoor jungle display? The Philodendron Camposportoanum plays well with others. Here are some potential companions. Philodendron Birkin. This beauty shares similar light and watering needs and boasts variegated leaves that complement the Camposportoanum's rich green. Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant, another climbing vine. The Monstera deliciosa adds a touch of whimsy with its split leaves. ZZ plant. Zemioculca zemifolia, a low-maintenance option. The ZZ plant thrives in lower light conditions and adds a touch of texture with its glossy, dark green foliage. By combining these plants with your Philodendron Camposportoanum, you can create a lush, vibrant display that brings the rainforest vibes right into your home. Conclusion: the Philodendron Camposportoanum is a captivating plant that offers something for everyone. Its velvety leaves, climbing nature, and relatively easy care requirements make it a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, why not add a touch of the tropics to your home with this unique and beautiful philodendron?